organization is Armenian Progressive Youth that is already in youth for 4 years, and mainly we are working with youth from the age of 15 to 13.
Hello, my name is Shavarsh. I'm also from Armenia. We are representing the same organization, which name is Armenian Progressive Youth. I'm responsible for the public relations.
So, first of all, we distinguished in our organization with whom we can work, because according to the resources and skills we have, we can choose with what further opportunities youth we can work. Mainly there are youngsters who have social problems or youngsters who have geographical obstacles.
I agree with my colleague. We are mainly working with the youth who has just geographical obstacles in their way, and we are giving opportunities for the ones who are living near borders or just in a very bad places.
So about the society, we can say that it is quite inclusive, because in Armenia mainly young people speak English or Russian, so more or less everyone can communicate with them. On the other hand, Armenians are open-minded persons, so it's not a problem for a foreigner to be. Actually, to tell several other issues, we can find it also not so inclusive. If we speak about sexual minorities issues, I think.
So also I agree, but I think that from the first sight Armenia is a very inclusive country. But when you go into deep, you of course will find some small hidden things, also about youth. I think they have a lot of problems, but it's all kind of hidden for them.
I think that it works pretty much good. Let me explain more detailed. First of all, if the person who is participating in a training or an exchange, if that person changes a bit, it's also quite a good filter. And even more, if the person has the willingness to change the others in their society, it is even more wonderful. What I would like to say that international level gives us opportunity not to experiment with different types of changes, but to see which one works in that particular society.
I think first of all it's about motivation. When someone is going to training or to the exchange, he come back and the first thing is motivation. It keeps him working on some specific issues, and also why not spreading the word, because they are kind of enlarging their mindset, and it is very important.
So first of all, to be open-minded, and what I would like to say, when you meet them and you know them better, you already forget that they have some bigger opportunities. So they are becoming your friends, some people that you are talking, have some chat every day. So it is just a small stereotype that can be easily beaten when you know them better.
Yeah, I think the answer is quite simple. We all are different, but we all are the same, and mostly our differences can unite us.